A couple weeks ago, I started a new side project to evaluate using GitHub Copilot alongside Laravel Boost for fast application prototyping. The app is a karaoke app using YouTube video embeds, and it was supposed to be ready for Christmas since I was coming to Brazil for the holidays and my whole family loves karaoke. With a tight deadline and only working on weekends, I was able to get something up and running pretty quickly with the help of Copilot using the GPT Codex Max model. But there's still some work to do. Hey there! We arrived in Brazil a few days ago, and I had the chance this last weekend to try and test drive the Karaoke app, and it was really fun, but there are certainly a lot of rough edges and lots of feature requests. A main pain point, I think, is that the videos from YouTube don't always have a good quality. The synchronization sometimes is bad, so we need to be need better curation. So I think I will create some YouTube playlists with the videos that are good and then import these playlists. Other thing that was difficult was that every time someone wanted a new song that was not in a catalog, it was really hard to add a new song. So I want to make this easier so that anyone can add a song to the catalog, making it easier, just super easy to add a song, which is not currently. I did have lots of issues also with Laravel Reverb, so the broadcasting server was not working on the live environment that is running on Laravel Cloud. I'm still have to debug this issue, but I couldn't make the reverb work only on production on the Laravel Cloud environment. Because locally it works, but then locally it's harder to connect to make everything work when you access from your phone. It's harder to make the assets load and everything, so it's also a struggle. I wanted to run it on the cloud environment, so it was easier, but yeah, still have to figure out what is wrong with the Reverb server on Laravel Cloud. I just now finished setting up a Docker Compose setup finally, so I can run on Docker, and it makes things a lot easier. And maybe I can even run just locally here on the local network. Let's see. So yeah, this is the update. Around 15 to 20 days in. Of course, I did not work all these days. I worked only on weekends after work, a few hours. So it's not like I worked 20 days on the app. And I'm still using Copilot. Is happening a lot. Even with the Docker setup, it helped me fix some issues I had. I tried to do it manually first and did not work. So Copilot helped me a lot with the Codex Max model. I also tried the Opus, Claude Opus model. I think it was the most expensive one, and I did not like it a lot. It was super fast, and I did not understand some things that it did, and also there was an issue, for instance, that I wanted to copy the .env.example to .env, and I asked it to copy, but it was, if it's just the context, I think it should understand that I wanted it to copy this in the Docker file, not like in my computer. So it just said the command cp to copy .env to, and I had to explain, no, I don't want to copy in my environment now. I want to add it to the automated Docker setup. Some little things that I did not like. I did not like its attitude, the Opus model. So I went back to the Codex Max, and I actually really like it. So yeah, I'm sticking with that model for now. All right, I think those were all the updates I had, and for the next updates. I hope I have the reactions working, the broadcast really working. It works locally, but yeah, it needs to be able to work on the clouds environment also, so we can all use it. All right, see you next update.